What's up, everybody? My name is Jack Pitman, and this YouTube channel that you're watching right now, it completely changed my life. I get to spend every hour of every day doing whatever I think is best for me. I don't have to work for another person anymore. I was able to move to a foreign country and live with an amazing group of people and do what I love every day, which is focus on education and sharing information. And that is what this YouTube channel is for. When it comes to self-employment, there's one key difference between a self-employed person and an employed person. A self-employed person believes that self-employment is real. They know that you can earn money online. It's not a doubt. And that is my goal for you, is to convince you of this fact. Because if you change the way that you perceive self-employment, you will be able to do what you love and earn money doing so. The most important thing is to be able to talk and communicate with people who live the life that you want. And that's something that I can help you with. I have a free mastermind group that meets every Friday. Anybody can join. The only catch is that the group is recorded and published to my YouTube channel. So that's the first way you can join. You can meet every week, and I can help hold you accountable to progressing your life and doing the things that you love. If you don't like that or that's too intimidating, then you can schedule a Calendly call with me, and as long as you let me record it and publish it on my YouTube channel, it's completely free. You can pick the time and you can pick the subject. We will talk about anything that you want. And if that doesn't work for you, you can pay me to just have a conversation with just you. Okay? And again, the reason that I do the calls for free is because if you let me publish them to YouTube, then it's beneficial for you and everybody else. But if you only want me to talk to you, well, it's not as incentivizing for me, so that's why I charge. Okay? And if you're interested in that, if you're interested in connecting and having these calls, then you can click on the link in this video and schedule some time with me. Otherwise, feel free to check out all of the videos that I've done in the past. I encourage you to look at the videos that are conversations with people who live the self-employed life. In 2019, I moved to Nicaragua to become a full-time online teacher. And I started teaching on a platform called Skillshare. So a lot of my videos now are about using this platform. And if you want to learn how to create courses and how to monetize the information that you have, how to monetize the act of learning, that's my dream. Follow this YouTube channel and you can learn that. My goal is to be able to learn things online that I'm interested in, and then to create more specific, shorter versions of the things that I'm learning so that other people can learn what I learned faster, and to figure out how to make money from that. If you understand that that's my dream, that's my goal, that's my perspective, this YouTube channel is going to make way more sense to you guys.